Sup YouTube, my name is Kevin and my username is Halfhide1995. I've got some questions from my friends lately from how I record my stuff. Like also from what type of guitar I have, which effects I use in my Effector, or what amplifier I use. But that's not a common question. I'll be talking about my guitar, Effector, amplifier, and how I record. Not in detail, but just, just some information so you guys know what I'm using and a little bit how I'm using it. If you want some more detail, I'll be putting the topics right here for you in order, and just click on it. I will put a description to the videos. I don't think they will be out yet, but when they're out I will be posting a link to it also in the description in the video. Well, first things first, I will be talking about my Ibanez guitar. It's a RG series, it's a RG350DX. As you can see, it has 24 frets. Sorry. Two dual pickups, one single. It has a tremolo. That's one of the main reasons I actually bought this guitar. I love soloing, so I thought, why not buy one with a tremolo. The sound quality from this guitar is great. Of course, because it's old, I gotta record it and then hopefully it won't disturb it. Everything works perfect. The switch, the tone, the volume knob, everything works really great. I use this guitar for drop C, because if I put this on standard, the tremolo, or I think they call it a whammy bar, will come up too high and eventually it will pop out. Or not pop, yeah, it will pop out, and I don't want that. So yeah. Let's go to my other guitar. This is the 47th anniversary guitar. Sorry, the 47th Guitar Center anniversary Rhoads guitar. It has 22 frets. It's from Jackson. Also has two dual pickups, one tremolo. Yeah, of course, what I said, I love to solo, so I always want to buy a guitar with a tremolo. Also, one awesome thing about this guitar is the reflection. Sometimes I don't go to a mirror, I just come to my guitar and I'll be like, damn, that's so awesome. Well, this guitar I use for standard tuning and drop D, because I just have to drop this guitar string to D and yeah, that's it. Well, next I'll be talking about my guitar Effector. As you can see, it's a RP350 Digitech foot switch. It's really great. It's like 3 years old and I never had to fix it. It works wonders actually. As you can see, you can put one guitar in it, like in almost every foot switch, but you can also set two amplifiers or two mixers, or depending on what cable you have, you can also plug this into an amp. You can record via USB, as you can see, but I never do that because yeah, the sound quality isn't that great. But overall it's really great. But if you want to know the effects, know the effect pattern, just ask me. I'll be happy to give it to you. Well, now for my amplifier. As you can see, it's a Behringer V-Tone GMX 110. It's a great amplifier. It's great for clean sounds, but it's not that perfect for performances. If you have a small performance like in your garage or home, yeah, okay, fine. But if you go to a bar, yeah, I advise you to buy a little bit bigger than this, because it's great but not that great. It goes loud, it has clean sounding, so that's no problem. Also has a small effect in it. When it's turned on, you press the channel button and yeah, you can see your effects. Well, for the recording, let me just start out with my amplifier again. At the back you see these two, I think it's, yeah, these two. These are two line outs. I plugged that into my Behringer U Control UCA 222. I got this with my Vamp Tree. The Vamp Tree is the effector that they have in the Vampire amplifier guitar from Behringer. This is a pretty great sound card. It's not the best, but it's pretty great for recording. I have this for a year right now. If you want to hear the sound, you can watch my video from 1000 Foot Crunch. I will be buying a new card actually. I think it's called a Firebird or Firepower, I'm not so sure, but it's one of the newest sound cards from Behringer. I just love Behringer quality, sorry. But yeah, if you want to start a studio or be a DJ, and if you want to plug your mixer into your computer, I advise you to buy this or the 202. It's kind of the same, only this one's red, literally. Yeah, well, that's it for today. Hopefully I'll be hearing from you guys. Of course, I will talk about everything in more detail. I'll be talking about my guitars, my effects, my amps, and my recording. Links will be in description when they're done. And hopefully I'll hear from you guys and subscribe. Thank you for listening, and I'm out.